Good morning. Welcome to the newsletter for October 15th through the 18th.
Don't forget to wear your tennis shoes on PE days. For math, we're working on 2 and 3 digit addition. Students should be practicing what we learned in math with homework each night, 2 to 3 problems. For science, we're working on our research about animals and insects and how each group survives.
For ELA Unit 2, Look and Listen, our encore text is Kanishi by Man, Cause and Effect. For phonics, we're practicing OW and OU, writing and grammar, opinion writing, and abstract nouns.
Reminders, conferences, sign-up sheets will come home this week. Please return as soon as possible. At the bottom of the newsletter, there's a link to our rounding song.
The important dates are October the 19th and October the 22nd. Those 2 days do not have school. And I guess that's it. See ya.
Conference sign-up sheets will come home Tuesday. If not Tuesday, the latest would be Wednesday. So please look for those in your students' yellow take-home folder and send them back as soon as possible. Today is a 4-day week, so no school Friday and no school next Monday, so it'll be another 4-day week and a 4-day weekend. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me, and have a great week.